Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome. Alright, so in this particular video guys, what I'll be doing is that I'll be showing us a particular strategy that can actually help us make $57.5 every minute if we do the exact same thing over and over and over again. Alright, so this thing is something we can actually set up, and once we set it up, we actually allow it, give it time, and then it starts giving us money every minute if we put in the work correctly. Alright, so this strategy that I want to review with us right here works anywhere in the world. If you're in Africa, it can work for you. If you're in Europe, it can work for you. In any part of the world where you're at, this strategy is going to work for you. If you're in Nigeria, brothers and sisters, this strategy is also going to work for you. I'm going to go ahead right now and I'm going to start divulging. I'm going to start explaining the strategy, but before I do that guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Ebenezer Earthlink, and one of the things I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is particularly centered around making money online. All right, so if you're interested in making money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button. All right, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that when next I upload a new video that is basically around making money online, you get notified. All right, so let me get into the strategy without further ado. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually explain to you guys how the strategy works. So basically, there are people who own services, right? These people who own services, they want to get their service to a larger audience. So let's say let's just get this up. Let's just get this off. So let's say they are institutions. So I'm going to have notate them with IN. All right, so let's say they are institutions or companies that own a particular service. Now they want to get their service to wider audience, or they want to gain recognition. All right, now the more of recognition that they have, the more business they can actually carry out. All right, so how do they do this? They have social media handles, and they want their social media handles to have followers, or maybe they have the YouTube channel, they want to have subscribers, and they want to have more Instagram followers, more YouTube subscribers, more Twitter followers, and more Facebook followers, right, or likes. And when they have this kind of stuff, they feel satisfied. I'm like, okay, I've gotten this, now people can trust my business. All right, and yeah, it works. People trust your business more when you have lots of followers. So you want to, these people want to buy followers, active followers that can actually help boost their business. Now they want to buy it, but there are websites out there, or there are persons out there who are already selling at a high rate. All right, they're already selling at a high rate. Now what we want to do is that we want to sell to these companies. All right, I want to sell to these institutions. All right, we want to be the ones selling to these institutions. We'll sell to these institutions, and at the end of the day, they pay us. All right, and we're not going to sell to them at a high rate, just like our competitors. No, we're going to sell followers to them at a very cheap rate. Now you're going to say, how do I get these followers? Don't worry, that is why I'm here. I'm going to show you guys how to get the followers, and this strategy is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to get the followers. You get the followers, you sell it to them, you make your money. Now, how do I also get to these institutions? That is why I'm here as well. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to get to these institutions, how you're going to position yourself so that these institutions will see you and they will buy those followers from you. And if they can buy these followers from you in a day, in a minute, in a second, you can actually make up to $57.5 or you can actually make more than this. This is guaranteed. Now without further ado guys, let's get into this and let me show you guys those websites and what you must do. Now that you've understood this, let me show you guys what you must do. All right, so let's move back here and let's look at the websites that already sells Instagram followers. So for this website right now, they sell Instagram followers. All right, so just go to buzoid.com and you see that they sell Instagram. You can actually go online and type buy Instagram followers. You're going to see that they sell Instagram followers at very expensive rate. So for 100 followers, you can buy 100 followers for $2.97, which is approximately $3. So they are selling 100 followers for $3, and about 250 followers are selling it for $4.99, which is $5, and that is on the high side. And you want to sell this to them. All right, let's look at their best selling. Their best selling is about $12. The best selling is about what? $12.99. That's what they sell, and you can actually look at this one. It's about 2005 for $29, but then you can sell this to them at a very cheap rate. right? You can sell it to them at a very cheap rate. Okay, so now how do you get this Instagram that is like, and how can you get to give them this Instagram at a very cheap rate? I'll show you guys that before the end of this video. So I'm going to show you a website where you can actually buy Instagram followers at a very cheap rate and resell. Now what must you do? First of all, you need to go to Instagram. All right, just go to Instagram, because this is the place where these companies are. Remember, you want to sell Instagram followers to some persons, so it means you should as well have an Instagram account. Or you can also do this on your WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp, you can actually make money with this on your WhatsApp. So just come to your Instagram, you see people who are already doing this. You can just go to the search icon and type buy Instagram. All right, so when you click on this, you're going to have this person about 30,000. This one has about 30,000 plus posts. That's a lot. And you can see the kind of posts they make here. Look at the kind of posts they make here, right? And this post they make here is related to that, to Instagram followers. So you can actually buy Instagram followers from these persons. Now, how do you create this kind of flyers here? You don't need to be a guru in graphics. You can actually create these flyers. How do you do that? All right, so just look at this thing and you can create the exact same thing and replicate it. You need to replicate what works already. All right, so just come over to Canva. Come over to Canva. When you come over to Canva, you can actually start using Canva to create designs. Now, there are designs that you cannot create with Canva. You cannot create with free Canva. It means you have to get a pro Canva account. Now, if you want to get a pro Canva account, I've actually shown you guys how to get a pro Canva account without spending a dime. So just come over right here, or you can actually go to YouTube and type. Okay, I think I showed you somewhere. It's not showing here. All right, but I showed you guys. Look at this. Okay, how to get Canva Pro for free. All right, so you can actually use the strategy I showed you here to get a Canva Pro account for free. So you get the Canva Pro account. All right, now if you don't want to search for this on my channel, you can just come over to Google and type Canva Pro for free, the Grind Academy. Just type something like this. Google is going to give you, YouTube is going to give you the video. All right, so go over to Canva right here when you've already purchased this. So just type Instagram post. All right, Instagram post. All right, just type Instagram post on the search icon, and it's going to give you lots of Instagram posts that you can actually customize. So look at this one. Something like this is actually good, but then you see that it is pro. Okay, let me just go down so you see properly. So you see something like this. It says yellow. This is actually something that is actually great. So you can actually customize it, change the colors. But you see that this is pro. So if you want to access it, you need to get a pro account using the strategy that I showed. So go watch that video, right? So now when you've done something like that, I'm not gonna create it because it's gonna take lots of time. So when you got something like this, just go to your Instagram and start uploading it every day by your followers and fill in your Instagram account. You're doing that. Now when you've done this and you have a few posts that have got to do with buying Instagram, you've built your brand already, and next thing you should do is you need to have the website that is going to help you to get this Instagram followers at a very cheap rate. Now I'm going to show you guys this website, so don't rush it. Now the website is called followeran.com. I'm going to try leave the link in the description section, but even if I forget, be sure to get the name. followeran, like followeran.com. Now when you get to that website, make sure you click on login. You create an account with them. It means so that when you have transaction with them, it's going to be saved. So create an account with them and just go over to have Instagram. Just click on Instagram right here. All right, when I click on that Instagram, it's going to open up. So let's give it a while to open up. So the Instagram part gets to open up, and when it opens up, you're gonna see here we'll have buy Instagram followers, and all you have to do is you click on see. So when you click on see, you see it opens up and it shows us the Instagram followers we can actually buy here. So we're gonna go back, so we'll see where it all starts. All right, so you can see that from here you can actually buy 100 Instagram followers for as low as 0.5 cents. All right, but you see the previous sites, you see you can buy 100 followers for $2, which is very, very outrageous. So this is actually a secret website that can actually help you to make money. So you see that here we're going to work with 1,000 subscribers. So for 1,000 subscribers, you actually buy this for $1.455. That is what you can actually buy this on this website. We can see here on this one, you can actually buy this for how much? For $1,000 you can buy for $12.99. All right, so if you do the math, you're going to see that there's a lot of money. So this is already selling for 12.99. So you can actually charge your client. You can actually charge your client 12.99, which is about $13. You actually charge them $13 for 1,000 followers. For 1,000 followers, and then you come over right here on this website and you buy it for how much? For $2 approximately, or $1.5 approximately. Right? So you see, you're making a lot of money doing this, and then you can also go ahead to buy to get 10,000 subscribers and followers from them. Right? You see that they pay you $60. Your clients pay you $60. That's what you charge. You charge $60, and then you come over right here and you buy for how much? Let's check how much you're going to buy from here. So from here you buy $14. Okay, now let's do the math. Let's pull up our calculator and do the math. So if you pull up our calculator right here, how much are we buying from here? This is let's say 14.5, let's say $15 from this particular website. So let's say you're charged $60. All right, so we have 60. Let's do the math. $60 minus what? Minus 15. $45. So if you can actually get someone to buy 10,000 followers from you, it means you can actually make $45 by doing this thing, and it means you earn $45 doing this. It's that simple. It's that easy. All right, remember the procedures. Do the exact same thing I've shown you. Go on your Instagram and start posting this, and you start making money online. Making money online is this easy. But then it takes time for you to get there. All right, so having showed you guys this strategy, having showed you guys this website, this secret website, be sure to actually go ahead, like this video, share with your friends who are also interested in making money online, so you don't make the money online alone. And then once you've done this, go ahead and implement the strategy. So having said that, having shown you guys the strategy, guys, I'm going to allow you guys to actually put in the work, and it's going to be another time. See you guys in the next video, guys.